guys, how did you get in here, you perverts? Honestly, my boob could have been out, freaks. Hello, everyone. I am Nicole. Snooki, yep, that's my name. If you don't remember, I used to be a hot mess. Disgusting. Partying all night. Crazy freaking animal. But nowadays, things are different. I'm a mommy of 2 little nuggets, and I'm pregnant with my 3rd nugget on the way. I'm all about taking care of myself, taking care of my body, my skin, my health. Pardon. So I used to be all about GTL, Gym Tan Laundry. Back in the day, my skin was horrendous, and I realized the biggest me. I still do my GTL, but instead of doing tanning, I realized I was missing toner in my skincare routine. And now that I take care of my skin and I use my toner, I honestly look like I'm 12 years old again. So my favorite toner right now is OLEHENRIKSE'Ns Glow2oh. It helps with wrinkles, reduces your dark spots. I do it right before bed, and then when I wake up, my skin is glowing and I'm actually a human being in the morning. And my favorite part about this product is it's alcohol-free. Alcohol should only be in your drinks, ladies. And I actually sleep with it when I'm in a bad mood. I love you. Bye-bye, dark spots. Even though I'm a mom now, I will always be your Snooki. All right, we good? We got the shot? All right, I got to do. I gotta go get the kids, grocery shopping. All right, bye, bitches. Thanks.